Divergence. You probably heard about this trading strategy before, but may not fully understand how to trade it or which tools to add as an extra sauce to your technical analysis to help identify potential divergence. In this video, I will try to cover this topic, divergence trading strategy. And every one of you have to learn this because this is the most powerful trading strategy when it comes to crypto. How to spot an upcoming pumps or how to identify an upcoming dumps. As always, this is not a financial advice. After watching this video, go and backtest it by yourself. Now, give the video a thumbs up if you like this content, and let's go straight into this strategy. I'm gonna talk about, like always, about this educational illustration first, and then we'll go straight into our live charts or a previous trading pairs data. So I wanna start talking about an example on the left side. So we see this is going to represent our extra sauce indicator, a classic RSI indicator or any other indicator that you're using. And I want to start talking about the price action. All right. We see a bearish market structure. The price is going down. And at some point, we change the whole character or we form some kind of bullish pattern that we broke to the upside and the price pushing towards the upside. But how to jump into a trade earlier than after like any other retail traders after a breakout. So we're using as an extra sauce, for example, RSI or any other indicator, again, to identify that potential upcoming movement to the upside. And I'm going to cover all of those my top 5 indicators in this video, so bear with me. And as an example, on the right side, we see a bullish market structure, but the whole RSI indicator and any other indicator that you're using, the money flow indicator, whatever, MACD. So everything is going down. That's what creates divergence. It's simple as that. And during the whole summer, when I was like making videos about crypto, about, I don't know, AVAX, Bitcoin, Ethereum, we were trading based on the divergence trading strategy, if you remember all of those videos. So again, on the left side, bearish market structure, we change the whole character. Let me just quickly add around here. Change the whole character. Of course, I'm not gonna name those lines break of structure, but let's just imagine break of structure, break of structure, break of structure, break of structure, break of structure. And around here, we change the whole character. From the bearish market structure, we switch into a bullish one. RSI were telling us that at some point there's a probability to see a breakout or whatever to switch from a bearish into a bullish. And after like, I don't know, like numerous hours of backtesting, I trusting my indicator and I can be confident in start building or looking for those nice entry levels, a potential entry levels where I can enter my long buy position or where I should start building my long buy position. At around here, different scenario, the bearish one. The price is moving all the way to the upside and the RSI, your indicator, is going down. So I'm trying to spot, for example, this is just an example, a supply or resistance zone. At what levels I can start building my short position? Where should I enter this short? So, and also RSI is showing me that everything is going down. The price is going up. All right, that's what creates divergence. And then after identifying maybe, I don't know, supply zone or a resistance zone, after breaking the whole, or if you're trading based on the smart money concept, we change the whole character, maybe a retracement, a retest at around this, another supply that we created, and then movement to the downside. So that what creates divergence. It's simple as that. The concept is super simple, but let's jump and let's just backtest on my top 5 indicators. It's just gonna take me, I don't know, 5 minutes, but for you, it's just gonna take 1 second. So let me just open a classic RSI indicator first. So I opened the most popular one, RSI Strength Index, at the bottom. This is gonna be my Oscillator. And I'm gonna show you just one example. Like always, as I mentioned you before, go back to this, backtest it by yourself. And at this point on the 4-hour time frame, this is a Bitcoin chart, previous Bitcoin data, chart data, and here I see a perfect example of the divergence. Here you go. Just bear with me. I'm just gonna make it more brighter and more visible for you. This arrow, we we reach on RSI indicator a bottom. The price closed at around here. And we created another bottom, like oversold territory. And at around here, we created a lower low. That what creates divergence. For example, I'm identifying that there's some kind of descending trend line. Of course, represents a resistance zone. And I'm going to use, like, for example, this ascending trend line that represents a support. So at around here, I can start building my long position earlier than wait for this breakout. So this is just an example based on this RSI indicator. Perfect, beautiful actually. So this is the RSI's bottom. The lower low, higher low on RSI, let's just say that oversold territory, low, higher low, lower low was created, and at around here, when we close it, like actually perfectly at around here, yeah, we created a higher low and a lower low on the charts. So that what creates divergence. It's simple as that. Of course, yeah, the key level, you can, I don't know, try to identify what is the pattern, what is the logic behind the setup, where should I enter my buy long position, at what levels. So I would like starting to build my position at around, I don't know, we created a demand zone. So if you are able to identify that quick to spot that demand zone, I'm gonna just like open a buy a long position at these levels. This is just an example. So RSI is showing me that there's a probability to see movement to the upside. The price is going down, so I'm starting building my long position from the bottom. All right, we found a support, a local support, bounce back up, boom, a retest, and I'm building my long position at around those levels because I identify this is just an extra sauce. This is just an extra sauce. Always market structure comes first. So you have to understand the market structure. This is just an extra sauce for you to be confident in your entries and exits. So I'm just gonna use a simple pen. All right, I'll open my position at around here. Higher lows, higher lows. Even here, I see potential divergence. All right, so let me just quickly change. All right, at around here, we created even higher low on RSI, and everything is going up. So I would like to open a buy long position earlier than to wait for those classical, I don't know, retail trading style breakouts. So this is just an example on RSI. So let's jump into a MACD. I opened the most popular MACD indicator. You can see the name on the indicators tab. So click it and let's just go and try to backtest it. I'm just gonna make it a little bit more wider. All right, just bear with me. And this MACD indicator is also could help us to identify a potential divergence. I'm also at the same spot I was backtesting RSI. We are on the 4-hour time frame still on the Bitcoin charts. And look at this one. This whole momentum, all those MACD indicators, all those crosses. Just look at that. Everything is going down, but the price is going up. That what creates a bearish divergence, and look what the results we have. Everything went all the way to the downside. Completely disaster for the Bitcoin, all right? So the price crashed all the way to the downside. So if we are able to identify this first top, the second, this trend line, ascending resistance trend line, first touch, second, third, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, the more touches we have, the more confirmation we have. Not that perfect trend line, but still at around here, we can identify that we can start building our short sell positions. Even if I'm gonna use the classic ascending channel pattern model. So at around here, we can start building our short positions from the top to a bottom. And of course, we're experiencing a breakdown, a retest at around this pattern, boom, movement to the downside. That would create a divergence, and the bearish one. So the bullish one, let's just take a look what we can see and about the bullish divergence. Not here, not that accurate. Let's just bear with me until I find a great example, because not every single time, every single indicator is going to be perfect. Perfect. We're still on the Bitcoin charts, previous data, 4-hour time frame. The price is going down. The price is going down. Sorry for that. Boom. Descending trend line that acts as a resistance, and we're waiting for a potential breakout and movement to the upside. Look at around here. Look at around here. Boom. Beautiful bullish divergence. The price is going down, but this whole momentum of MACD A is rising up. Everything is rising up. Don't mind at this middle indicator that represents a money flow, but just take a look at those crosses and those momentum lines. After this cross, all right, movement to the upside. You can go on the lower time frame and check it out how it works. But still, the first low, the higher low, and the previous low and the lower low, that what created divergence. And of course, we couldn't catch a perfect at around here, but after this clean breakout, we still have a probability to see a movement to the upside, and there's a chance for us to jump into that sweet buy long position. Of course, like beautifully, this is like beautiful example. Make a pause, take a screenshot, I don't care. Beautiful, beautiful example on this MACD indicator. Money flow, I mean, this whole momentum is going up and the price is going down. That what creates divergence. It is the difference between the price action and what indicator is showing you. So let's jump into another one, which is the most popular one, VuManChu Cipher B. Just bear with me 1 second. And we are live on VuManChu Cipher B. I'm still at the same spot, 4-hour time frame, Bitcoin. Actually, even here that we discussed about this MACD, the VuManChu is showing you a potential divergence automatically at around here. So everyone that uses a VuManChu Cipher B, I do believe that this indicator looks similar. Maybe it's a little bit different, but it looks similar as the most popular on market Cipher. But still, VuManChu, it is a free indicator. It shows you a potential divergence automatically at around here. Here, the same situation. I'm just gonna draw a pattern. Don't mind that. Boom. Descending channel. All right, let's just imagine this is descending channel or descending trend line that we are trying to break to the upside. Look, it shows a potential divergence at around here. So we can start building our long position at around here. Of course, backtest it. I'm going to repeat that. Backtest this whole strategy based on your trading pair or asset you're trading, crypto, forex, commodities, I don't know, gold. So backtest. It shows you those divergence automatically. Look how beautifully it shows you all the divergence together with those humps, or like, I don't know how to even call them. But this whole momentum wave, it shows you, I mean, from here to here, not that perfect, but those quick, to open a quick short position, that is a good idea if you're taking your profits very quick. But still, it is a good idea to wait for those big humps to form. For example, from here to here, it doesn't show you automatically, but I can see with my naked eye that this hump is lower than this one at around, let's just say here. Of course, a small pump and a movement to the downside, but still at the end of the day, we rise back up. So this is a very cool, and I believe it is a very accurate indicator. So let's just go and backtest what is going on with this indicator more. All right. As we discussed with the RSI, it shows you perfectly with the VuManChu, on the VuManChu Cipher B. Even the money flow is there, you see? The money flow is in the red, in the green, so we can identify those divergence based on the money flow. The money flow is rising up, the price is going down, boom! That's what created divergence, and the price went straight to the moon. So from here to here, this is of course not that perfect, but still, the price went all the way to the upside. This pump, boom, the higher one, and at around, of course, I'm not trusting none of those indicators that are showing me something automatically. I'm always like to draw everything by myself. For example, here, low, this is the low, higher low based on this indicator. Of course, we formed again an ascending triangle pattern that is the most bullish pattern in my book. Boom. At around here, breakout, the money flows from the red, switch into a green one, boom, movement to the upside. So go explore, go open this indicator and explore buy or sell, backtest it. Look, even here, bumps, those divergence, low, higher low. You can even have those crosses, the green one, the green one, the red one, the green one, when we cross and push price to the upside from here. Oh, beautiful divergence. And where we closed at around, let's just say at around here. All right. So there is a potential pump, an upcoming pump. Boom. What happened? Pump, a retracement. Boom, push the price all the way to the upside. So this is the whole concept, a simple concept about divergence trading. So let's jump into another one, which is also pretty cool, a little bit more similar. So just bear with me. I'm just going to open that indicator. This is the WaveTrend and crosses produced by LazyBear. Shout out to LazyBear. Go on the indicators tab and type in LazyBear. It has a very cool indicators, pretty accurate ones, and this one is a similar as the VuManChu Cipher B, just without those money flows and all of those complicated, I don't know, things inside this indicator. But look, it's also show you all those crosses and a potential divergence. So again, price is going down, the price is going down, and at around here, look, the whole momentum is going up. So, and we cross at around here. You even have the candle that it paints you in the green. Of course, you can, I don't know, change the color, whatever you like. But still, at around here, when we cross, we have this green dot. We can start building our long buy position, which is super accurate after, of course, we're back testing right now. But still, it's a superly accurate indicator. When we close this candle, of course, which switch from a red into a green, we can start building our buy long position. And at the end of the day, the price went all the way to the upside because we switched to a green one. Boom, all of those crosses. Yeah, probability after the red one. Boom, it pull back and then movement to the upside. This is like overbought levels, and this is oversold levels. So we can also navigate by that. In the middle, I believe we have like VWAP, which represent the price action. But still, let's just take a look for something more. I just wanna remove those colors. Sorry for that. It's a little bit distraction. So, all right, even here, look, top. Not that perfect divergence, but you can still identify that the whole momentum is going down and the price is going up extremely. And after identify, for example, this ascending resistance trend line, we can start building our short positions from here. All right, so boom, price went all the way to the downside. All right, so that what created divergence, the bearish one. We talked about bullish, this is the bearish one. So go open that indicator and back test it by yourself. I believe it will be super helpful in your trading journey. And I believe we have the last one that I'm using it right now, so just bear with me. We are on the daily time frame on Ethereum charts. My favorite asset, my favorite indicator at the current moment, my favorite time frame to trade, to take those big and long swings. And right now I want to talk about what is the logic behind the setup and based on this indicator. So the indicator is just like, I'm always bullish on this, for example, project. So my market and the whole market sentiments are bullish market structure, bullish pattern. And all I like to see is those choppy money flow, let's just say potential divergence, which is like not that accurate divergence, but this is how I understand based on the money flow. Yeah, the money flow is rising up. The money flow is rising up, boom, up, and we are bulls in the cycle. So I'm projecting, of course, this is like an old data. I mean, at the current moment, we have the data that we experience a breakout to the upside on Ethereum. So don't look at this one, but still the money flow was rising up. The money flow was rising up. So that's when I started to act and open my buy long positions. For those who are watching my previous live video or my previous videos, educational videos on my YouTube channel. So this is what I'm using for divergence. Those previous indicators that I show you a little bit more accurate. For example, here, look at this money flow. Here, the higher one, the lower one, and boom, movement to the downside. It's not like divergence, but still a probability to see a bigger drawdown. So the price is still going down. The money flow is very high at our bought territories, and the second hump is a little bit smaller at around here. So yeah, I'm still projecting, and I'm still like trying to predict that there is a probability to see a movement to the downside. So this is how I understand based on the money flow. Of course, everything is rising up right here, right here. So this indicator is a little bit more advanced. All right, following wedge pattern, bullish market structure based on the money flow. We created a higher lows. This is where I'm trying to open my buy long position. This is just an example, and boom, movement to the upside. A little bit more choppy than it's supposed to be, but still, I like this indicator. I understand. So go back test it. Go and back test based on those 5 indicators, on this one and the four indicators that I showed you how everything works. Classical RSI, MACD, VuManChu Cipher B, LazyBear, those wave trends and crosses. Go back test it. Understand how the divergence works, because the whole summer, if you remember my live video and my previous videos when we were talking about crypto, the whole summer we preparing to open and buy long positions, and every logic was based on the money flow. Maybe RSIs, because yeah, all the indicators like based on the RSIs, like the code and algorithm is, yeah. So you can, what I want to say is you can use like a simple RSI indicator. That's enough for you to get started with the divergence. And yeah, that's pretty much it. A very logical concept. Of course, the last one is, I do believe that it's a little bit tricky for you if you don't know anything about divergence. So let me just quickly delete everything. But still, I understand this. And what I want to say about this, that use an indicator if you understand the logic behind that indicator, the whole movement. So if you understand how it works, just use this. For example, this is a little bit choppy maybe for you, but I understand. So if this fits my trading strategy and my psychological, everything is in my head is connected, and I do understand how to use it, so I'm just using it. I don't care about those maybe a little bit more childish indicators. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. This is the whole concept about divergence, and I hope this video is going to be helpful for your trading journey. And yeah, I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace out.